Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the environment so you know which Python kernel is failing. Run Jupyter Notebook debug and watch the terminal for traceback lines. This reveals the failing module or path. Make sure the active interpreter is correct by running which Python or conda info. Once done, verify ipykernel exists in that environment. If not, install it. These steps eliminate mismatched interpreters and missing kernel packages before deeper fixes. You now fix the middle causes, packages and kernel specs. Reinstall or upgrade ipykernel so the kernel entry point is correct. This resolves many import errors. Then recreate the kernel spec so Jupyter points to the right interpreter, using Python m ipykernel install with a clear name. Also inspect path and Python path for conflicts, and ensure the kernel's directory has readable files. These actions address broken specs, stale entries, and permission issues that interrupt kernel launches. You finish by restarting both the Jupyter server and your browser to clear cache states, then open the notebook and reconnect the kernel. If problems persist, create a fresh virtual environment, install only required packages, and reinstall the kernel to isolate faults. Make sure to clear outputs and save before switching kernels. If it still fails, check server logs and look for package version conflicts. Tornado, traitlets, or ipykernel mismatches are common. Adjusting versions often restores stability.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.